Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to download and install BandLab on your PC. If you're into music production or just want to create your own beats, this is the perfect tool to start with. So let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to bandlab.com. If you don't already have an account, simply sign up for a new one. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll notice the URL says bandlab.com/studio. Right there, you'll find an option to install BandLab. Click on it and then select Install App. When a confirmation box appears, just click Install again. After a few moments, BandLab will be successfully installed on your PC. You should now see a BandLab shortcut appear on your desktop. Simply double-click that icon to open BandLab in its app form. This makes it much faster and easier to access compared to running it from the browser every time. And that's it. You've now installed BandLab on your PC and are ready to start making music right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech and music-related guides, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.